Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So today we have lots of fun stuff planned. We're going to be getting our red beans and rice going in the slow cooker. We've got a grocery pickup for Albertsons and Walmart, and probably running through Sam's just to pick up some more milk and cheese and veggies and stuff. We are doing so well cleaning out the pantry and going through all of that it's pretty bare, which is a good thing and a bad thing. I don't like having an empty pantry, but I like that we've been able to go through that and I can really restock it and have just like a huge haul maybe in the next week or two where we're going to just restock everything because it's getting low. Now the freezer still has plenty of sausage, chicken thighs, and some chicken breasts, especially to get us through this week. So my goal is to use up that meat stock that we have so that we can restock it. We are next out of all of our quick meal things like the frozen pizzas and such, which I use those on the weekends or on a fast night that we may have cheer or karate or something coming up. But we're going to bring y'all along and we hope you enjoy the day. Alright y'all, so we're going to get it all going. So we have our small red beans that we rinsed and picked through last night, and we soaked them overnight. So all I did was cover them with some water, bring it to a boil for about 3 minutes, and then turn them off and let them sit in the pot overnight. Now I've got it turned on low for slow cooker function, and we're going to toss in the rest of our ingredients except the sausage. I wait until the last couple of hours to add that in. We're doing this on slow cooker function so that I can go and restock our pantries and do all of that because we desperately need our pantries and fridge restocked. So to this I'm going to add a smoked ham hock. You want to make sure you still have enough water covering your beans. I think I started with 8 cups of water. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of butter, or about a half a stick. 1 chopped green bell pepper. I had about 1/4 yellow one left in the fridge also, so I went ahead and chopped that up to add it in, just so it's not going to waste. About 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just using my minced garlic. 1 large onion diced up. About half a teaspoon of basil. A tablespoon dry parsley. 2 bay leaves that you will need to take out before you eat this, and about a teaspoon of salt for now. We're just going to push all these ingredients down into the liquid so that they all cook together. Like I said, we've got it on low for slow cooker function, and I'll come back and add in my smoked sausage. Alright y'all, so about 4 hours later and our grocery haul is all finished. But we got very minimal as far as quick snack foods, I feel like. More stocking the pantry and such. And some of the freezer. But we got Michael's sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. And then we got the Walmart brand that are much cheaper. So we're going to see taste comparison how they are. When I say we, I say me and he. But also the kids might jump into them every now and again. If he doesn't eat these, then Thatcher will for sure. But we got their sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. Some chicken tortilla soup for the quick night meals. And some loaded potato soup. These were on sale for $7 each. So that was a really good deal for those. They're usually about $9. Some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. And I saw this cool secret sauce. So I figured we'd give that a try as far as dipping sauces go. It looks kind of like a shrimp and crawfish kind of dip kind of thing is what I'm thinking. Got this creamy cilantro dressing. We're going to have a burrito bowl night with some cilantro lime chicken. So we're going to try that on there. Found a recipe online that uses this little Knorr vegetable packet to season the veggies and the chicken. So we're going to try that recipe also. Just some more corn on the cob for the freezer because I tried to reach for it one night and realized we didn't have any. Walmart now has these off-brand, or their Great Value brand, and they're much cheaper And so we're going to give these a try and see how we like them, and hopefully they'll work. They're about the same price as the creamer at Aldi. We got a few different extracts. Albertsons always puts these on sale after Christmas, so I try to stock up on them then. Use them for cakes and cookies and pies, but got several different extracts, and they're marked down from about $3 or $4 each to $1, so it's a huge savings. Some more salt for the pantry, and just because we go through it a lot. A small bag of rice is like a little 2-pound bag. I'm trying these chicken bouillon cubes out over my chicken base just because the price of my chicken base has gone up yet again. And it's getting really pricey, especially with how much I use it. It's still much cheaper than buying chicken broth, but I'm going to try these chicken bouillons and see how I like them. Picked up 2 different types of salsa. This one is also, this is to make our cilantro lime chicken that we're going to have for our burrito bowl. And then just another one. I think I have some of this going towards a recipe, but if not, Thatcher and Michael will have that emptied before too long at all. I'm always a sucker for these snack packs at Sam's. Usually we break into them, but we got to Sam's one of our first stops, so I didn't eat our snack on those during that time. Picked up another big tub of butter. These cereals were on sale at my Albertsons for $1 each if you use their digital coupon. So we got the limit of them. And this is the kids, one of their kids' favorite cereal. As always, my Sam's rotisserie chicken that I love. We'll be using this with some pesto pasta for dinner tomorrow night. So as far as veggies go, I don't feel like we have too many veggies either. We have a lime, about 2 pounds of jalapeno peppers. We got 2 bags of bell peppers, and we'll go through those quickly, but I need to put some in the freezer also, so I have some on hand when we don't have fresh. So just 2 bags of those. These are $6 each at Sam's Club, so that works out to $1 a pepper compared to my other grocery stores. It's about $1.50 a pepper. I did find that Super One has a way better deal on jalapeno peppers than Walmart. Walmart is twice the cost of jalapeno peppers. However, I'd already ordered what I needed with my grocery pickup. The lime was only 25 cents. They're not sold by weight anymore in my local areas. They're sold individually. I got 9 pounds of yellow onions. We use a lot of onions in our cooking, so I needed to get some for recipes for this week, but also to put chopped in the freezer to have on hand, because all I have left is about 2 onions worth. A little bit of cilantro. These Dove chocolates were on sale at Sam's Club for like $3. They're the leftover Christmas candies, which I'm okay with. They're the dark chocolate, so only myself and Eleanor will eat them anyway, so it saves some for us. I picked up some of these really cute little street taco corn tortillas. Figured we would make some tacos one night and use those, and thought the kids might like the small, little small baby handheld tacos. Some green onions, some white bread, a couple of avocado and tomatoes. The avocados are quite small right now, and these were $1 each. And then I went ahead and picked up the kids' Valentine's treats for school, just because I feel like they're going to run out by the time I get back to Sam's Club. And this was only $11, so not bad. I may be able to get both of their classes out of that one container. Next up, we have our meats. So our Albertsons has ground beef on sale for a little over $4 a pound. So we got about 15 pounds worth, and I haven't taken it out of the cooler yet. I always bring these ice packs in my cooler to put meats and different things in to keep them nice and cool. And then our Super One Stop, so these sparkling waters are, there was a sale at Albertsons for these as well. We've never had sparkling water. I'm trying to get Michael away from sodas. I know these aren't much better, but I'm hoping this will work because he goes through several sodas and Powerades a day. So trying to cut back on that. He had gotten really good with his Circle water bottle, but now he's kind of slipped back into the habit. But these are from Super One's K-Slot sale. We got a case of pinto beans. I'll put the price on the screen, but I think it was $9 for this case of 12. 2 small tomato paste, just because I need just a few more tomato paste. I don't use them quite as often as tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, these are 8-ounce cans. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 24 for about $7. Again, I'll put the price on the screen because I don't remember exactly, but a really good price for them. A 12-pack of green beans, a 12-pack of diced tomatoes, and a 12-pack of whole kernel corn. Alright, y'all, now we're going to slice up our sausage and put down in our red beans, and then we're going to get all of this meat packaged out into 1-pound bags so that we can put it away in the freezer, and it just makes it easier to use. So we only have about 2 hours left on our red beans, maybe 3. We'll see. But I like the sausage to go in about this time. I know some people like to put it in the beginning because they feel like it gives more flavor. I feel like I get plenty of flavor with it by adding it at this point, and I don't end up with rubbery sausage. So that's just personal preference, but do how you like. And this is just our homemade smoked sausage. So if I wasn't using this, I know that some people find this contrary, but I like the Hillshire Farms smoked sausage as an alternative to this. I feel like it has really good flavor and it works really well with the foods that I cook. So this is just a pound of smoked sausage, and we're just going to drop it down into our red beans. And now on to separating our beef. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 12 hours, well, probably 11, and our beans are all done. I did add about 1.5 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning or Creole seasoning, whatever you want to call it, for the extra salt and for just a little kick, and it's perfect. I had to add a cup of water at about the 9-hour mark. We needed a little bit more water in them. The beans were starting to get a little bit dry. But as you can see, there's no more ham hock down in it. I peeled the meat, which wasn't very much for this ham hock, off and just put it down in the pot. The main thing is it adds flavor with all of that bone and fat breaking down into it. So we're going to portion it up, serve it with some crusty bread over some rice, and there you have it. Hopefully y'all love it just as much as we do. We'll see y'all in the next one.